In the assumption you have 30 to 40 million, the amount of properties that you can access is endless, and most of those properties are in very good secluded areas where the rich live freely and very secluded. This is one of the units, and we are exactly 8 minutes from Kiambu town. This is a gated estate of so many units, and most of the units have been done exceptionally well. Behind me is a 4-bedroom all-en-suite mansion with a print area of around 400 square meters. This unit has been done very well, and what I love about it is that it has been done on a quarter piece of land. For people who do not understand quarters and eighths, that is 100 by 100 lot. For the freshness of the air, the greenery that is in this estate, the singing of the birds in the morning, 39.5 million Kenya shillings is a worth amount for you to pay. From there, you can see that you are getting a ton of space for you to do all your activities, and when you are not doing that, your kids will enjoy the time of their life. This home can be accessed from two sides. You can access it from this side, and you can also access it from the other side where we have the main entrance. Right now, we are at the parking of this unit. You are getting a 2-car parking shed, but this space is big enough to fit all the way to 6 cars. This unit has been done very well. All the documents are very intact. The facade is very inviting, and the color and the quality of rough and tough is making this unit look very unique. I like the metal railings that you have to support the entrance porch. On the top, you can see that we have a glass balcony, and let me tell you, the primary balcony is just on another level. Wait until I show you that. The entrance porch is massive. This is the main entrance on this side, but for you to understand how this unit has been constructed, you will use the other entrance, and I will use this one. Unlike so many units we have reviewed, this unit has been given a lot of openness. If you check it from there, you can see that the indoor-outdoor environment is linking very well. This unit has a lot of accesses to outside, and this unit can be accessed from all directions. Right now we are at the foyer. You can see it has been done very well. I'm loving it that it is a double volume, and we have a beautiful chandelier above my head. This is the common washroom. It is adopting a similar concept to all the washrooms that we will see in this unit. Next to the common washroom, you have the guest bedroom, and we will see that in a few minutes. The unit comes with a sunken living room. It has been done very well. I like the ceiling heights, and the lighting has been done very well. It is very disappointing that we don't have electricity right now, but let me tell you, the lighting at night is phenomenal. For you to access outside from this space, you can use the access where the videographer is, or you can use this other access to access your garden. From here, I'll take all view to the kitchen, and later we will see the guest bedroom as we are heading upstairs. Right now, we are at the center of the first level, and this is where you should have your dining area, and I like it that it is opening to the kitchen where you have a breakfast table. This kitchen has been done very well. You have one of the entrances behind me, and as you can see, the kitchen has been done extremely well. On this side, you have the sink area. It is a double sink next to the window, and I'm loving the brown granite countertops because they are blending very well with this white cabinetry that has been done in this kitchen. What is very important is the quality of the workmanship, and I like it that the developer was very keen on how this work was delivered. Behind me, you have your cooking area, and it is a 5-burner cooktop with a heat extractor on top of it. This other side has been reserved for all your other electronics, and that has been denoted by the numerous number of sockets that you are getting. As you can see, you have your oven and microwave, and next to them, you have your pantry. This space has been partitioned very well, and it is big enough for all your dry foods. This door is opening to the employee quarters and the laundry area. This space is massive for all your laundry works, and you have some tiny spaces down there where you can do your washer and dryer. Next to me you have the employee quarters, and it is a 1-bedroom unit which is opening to the space which can be used as the clotheslines area. Let's see the guest bedroom, and later we will head upstairs. If you ask me, this is a massive guest bedroom. But if you are going to be one of the guests in this home and you are used to living large, maybe this is a tiny space for you. Though it has been done very well, the ceiling heights are perfect. You have the space where your headboard should be, and on my far front you have your closet spaces. On one side you have a closet, the other side you have a dresser, and as you can see, all the units comes with these massive windows that also act as the access to the outside spaces. If you want to understand what security is and the amount of security in this estate, you can see that there is no burglar-proof metal bars in these homes. So here security is totally guaranteed, because here we have a 24-hour surveillance security system. Right now we are in the guest bathroom. You have a vanity, a WC at the center, and as you can see, we are also getting a massive shower cubicle. At this point, how do you like this unit? Do you think it has been done well to deserve that 9.5 million Kenya shillings that the developer is asking? If yes, make sure you comment down there. If no, make sure you give us a reason why it should cost less, or maybe more. The staircase is landing you to the center of the first level, and on my right hand side you have the first and the second bedroom. On my far front, where Mr. Vincente is, you have the family room. On this side you have a beautiful chandelier that is giving you a ton of light to the foyer space. This wing has been reserved for the primary bedroom, and the primary bedroom has been done perfectly. The family room is a big space, big enough to fit a 7-seater all the way to a 9-seater couch. This is a beautiful space for you to have the family meetings, family conversations, and maybe catching up with each other after a day of work or maybe school. The family room balcony is conjoined to the primary bedroom one. And as you can see, the space is massive. It is actually endless, and the views that you are getting from here are incomparable. From there, you can see that the estate has been done very well. The neighbors are very posh, and they are very, very private. This balcony extends to this other side of the unit. From here, we will use this access to the primary bedroom. As I mentioned earlier, the primary bedroom is the biggest. It has been done very well. I like the expansiveness of this space. The ceiling heights are slightly higher than the other bedrooms. You have this modification of the gypsum ceilings just to denote a space where you should put your king size or queen size bed, and you have a massive access to the balcony, which acts as the window to this bedroom. For the nerds who like watching me, this bedroom is 35 feet long. That is a massive bedroom. Behind me, you have your closet area, and I like it that your closet extends from this corner all the way to this other corner. This is a massive closet for you and your partner, and it is floor to ceiling and partitioned very well. Right now we are in the primary bathroom. You have a WC at the center. On this side you have a double vanity for you and your partner, and on this other side you have the biggest shower cubicle that we have seen in the channel. The only thing that is missing in these shower cubicles is a double shower head. Cause why would you just have one shower head and you have all this space? If you are showering here with your partner, you need to be showering here and your partner should be on the other corner. Isn't that right? Now that we have seen the primary bedroom, let's see the kids' bedrooms. This bedroom is the tiniest, and it is targeting the small children. You have a closet here, a big closet, floor to ceiling, very well done. Not the biggest window. And you have its bathroom here. What I love about this bedroom is the finishing on this wall. It is very, very subtle. Right now we are in the second bedroom, and at the entrance you have the second bedroom washroom or bathroom. It has been done nicely. You have a small vanity on that side, a WC at the center, and a shower cubicle that comes with a rain shower. This is the bedroom space. This bedroom is targeting the slightly bigger kids or maybe your teenagers, and the closets have been done very well. I like it that the developer included a dresser here, spaces for the jewelries, and this is very important, especially if you have teenage girls. On your way to the roof deck, you have the study or the office on my left-hand side. This space has been done very well for the students who are in school, and if you use this room as an office, you will have a beautiful space here to keep your coffee maker. I like it that this space comes with its separate bathroom, and this bathroom can be used by the people who will be doing an event or enjoying their time on the roof deck. Wow, wow, wow. From here, what hits you is the freshness of the air, and the views are just marvelous. I like how the estate has been subdivided, and everyone is getting enough space to create their own unit and have a personal space where they can do their other activities. This is a marvelous estate to invest in. So if you would want to purchase this unit or any other in this estate, or maybe another unit in this locality, make sure you call us in the number attached in the first comment. And for more details, always remember to visit our website www.africanrealestate.com. This is just one of the units in this estate. If you would like to see more, click up here. That's all for today. We will see you in the next one.